The topic of discussion for this presentation is how much time is required for obtaining a business license in Singapore. So, first of all, you need to understand that most of the companies in Singapore, once registered, can start business after incorporation. They don't need to obtain a separate business license, and this is a rule for most of the companies. So, unlike Dubai, where after company is incorporated, you need to mandatorily obtain a business license, that is not the case here. However, certain sectors are regulated by government authorities. And if your business falls in these regulated activities, then you will need to obtain the specific business license. And the question now is how much time is required to get this license. Now, before understanding the time required, first understand the three broad steps which are involved in obtaining the business license. So, most of the licenses will put up some conditions which you must satisfy before you can file the application for that license. Once you have satisfied the conditions, your key person, that is the director of your company, will have to sign an undertaking to abide by the licensing conditions put by the government authorities. And once all this paperwork and preparation is done, the application for license can be lodged and then license is approved. So let's take one example. For example, you are opening up a restaurant and you are applying for a restaurant license. So restaurant license may say that your kitchen need to have some specific safety equipment, or your kitchen need to have some specific type of storage facilities. Then you will have to satisfy these requirements, and your manager or the director of the company will have to sign an undertaking which will state the rules specified in the licensing conditions will be met always. And then you can apply for the license. Or if you take example of a recruitment agency, the recruitment agency has a requirement that the key manager should be a qualified person who has undergone the training course conducted by Ministry of Manpower and has passed the examination and is a registered EA representative. And also you are required to put some deposit with government authorities, usually $60,000. And once these conditions are satisfied, you can apply for the license. So as such, the timeline required for each of the licenses is difficult to predict. But what I have done here, I am going to show you generic timeline required. So when it comes to licenses which are related to food and beverage sector, that is restaurant, hawker centers, food processing units, commercial kitchen, food storage, bars and alcohol import and storage, the typical timeline taken after incorporation is from 2 weeks to 4 weeks. If the business is in service sector, then it will typically take 3 to 6 weeks. And services that those are covered in this are spa and massage, event management, law firms, public accounting firms, corporate secretarial firms, employment agencies, travel agencies. Same way, there are few more businesses under this category like event management, telecommunication services, hotel establishment, marine and shipping, publishing and media, printing press and educational. If you are trying to obtain a license in sector of money and finance like financial advisory, capital market trading, banking, insurance, payment remittance processing, then in that case it will take anywhere from 6 to 16 weeks. Because these licenses are typically difficult to get and the conditions specified may require stringent scrutiny by a monetary authority. If you are obtaining a license in healthcare sector, like importation of medical devices, controlled drugs, import and storage of medicines, processing of medical waste or clinics, then that can take from 6 to 20 weeks. So in summary, processing time for each license will differ depending upon the specific case and the situation. However, you need to take these timelines as a general guideline and factor this in preparing your plans.
Thank you for watching this video. This video was brought to you by Epica Consulting Singapore. Subscribe to our channel today to get notified when new videos are posted.